Alright guys, welcome to Chop Shot yet once again, and today we're going to be installing a new pair of taillights on the S2000. Finally getting rid of these old AP2 taillights. While they were nice, the wiring was so poor in the back, but you'll get to see that in a minute. Here's my 2001 AP1 S2000. And as you can see here, these taillights are allegedly off of an AP2 S2000. Now I have no reason to doubt that, since when I opened it up and took a look, the area where the taillights mount is destroyed, as it was customized to try and make these fit. The connectors for the taillights are just squished and cut around to make it fit into the AP2 lights. Putting those into some brand new, ridiculously overpriced taillights is definitely not going to work for me. Just going with a very basic cutting, stripping, crimping, some new electrical connectors, and then applying some heat shrink onto it. Just take a look here at the mounting location for the taillights. It's just kind of pretty fucked up. Now this first bag right here is AP1 mounting plates for the taillights. These are the gaskets that it comes with, in a sense. They go on after, so you can provide some good sealing to prevent water and other things going inside your trunk. Those are the AP2 plates. And of course, the most important part, the tail light. Now, even though my shit's all hacked up, I'm still going to use the AP1 adapter plate. Now in the instructions it does show you which connection goes through which hole, but it's pretty self-explanatory here. So if you want to go ahead and take a look to see which connector's which to match them up, be my guest. It comes with supplied screws, and you're just going to go ahead and use that into each of the indentations. But I noticed that you do kind of have to press hard on the plate so the screw does go through. With that out of the way, you can go ahead and lay down the gasket and move on to the next taillight. Now it also came with these foam strips as well. I'm not quite sure what they were for, and it didn't explain in the instructions. I didn't really use them, but they're there. If you ever find out what they're for, go ahead and let me know in the comments down below. So now just the same as before. Put the plate down, run the connections through, and screw it down. Once you look at the connections, you'll notice which one goes where. These just twist in and the rest just press right in place. With these connections though, it is quite a bit longer, so there's really not much room for any of these wires to go. This one here is the reverse. and that one's the brake light. And the other big one there is the indicator. Mounting the lights themselves is pretty straightforward if you've got a normal car. They just go right in the tiny holes, you put the bolts that came with the stock taillights, and you're good to go. Now, they look amazing in my opinion, but there is something I've noticed here. And I can't say this is for every taillight, and I can't even say that it's for this taillight, because you guys saw the mess I have back here. But look at this gap here. It's pretty big, and it gets kind of small over here, a little tight, very tight here, very, very tight there, and it starts to open up a little more even. And then you can see it's a little bit of an odd gap here, and it's tight here. And over here, it's pretty overall and good gap all around. And over here, it's a pretty even, consistent gap. A little tight around there. Not huge here, as big as the other side. Overall, pretty good here. So, I think it might just be my fucked up mounting situation, but just keep that in mind. That could be a possibility. They are made by Depo, and I have purchased taillights before, as you guys saw with my EP3. Those replacement taillights were from Depo, and they were okay quality. They did feel a little cheap. Now these are really nice looking, and they don't feel that cheap, but I mean, they're made in Taiwan stuff, so overall definitely would recommend. We'll see the next time I give it a wash and see if there's any condensation that builds up. There it is, the finished product. I think it looks really good. I'll run all the functions here so you can see what it looks like. But I hope this install process kind of shows you how these lights look, how they work. I was looking around for information and couldn't find really anything, so I hope this is helpful, since these are a very expensive purchase for just some taillights. If you found anything helpful or entertaining, please subscribe, like the video, leave a comment if you have any questions. So as you see, we finally got rid of these, replaced them with the EVO R tail lights, and I really love the look of them on the car. They really update the car. It's a very modern looking car in general, but just that splash of modernism in the back really brings it back up to 2017. So I really hope you guys enjoyed and found this helpful. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.